Hi, how are you? It's me. It's me, it's me, it's me, it's me again. It's me, it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me again. I just wanted to come to you before I went to bed and give you some tips on some skin tips before you go to bed at night. I know the economy is hard and you can't spend $50 on a cream to help a zit go away, but there are things that you can do. For instance, if you have a pimple or a blackhead that you can't seem to get rid of, what you can do in the meantime is you can toothpaste. Toothpaste, dab a toothpaste here, dab a toothpaste there, dab it wherever you have a zit at overnight, and these will help you with your bumps, the bumps, the bumps, the bumps. Goodbye.